Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's great to see you. Today's going to be a POV. Before I get into it, a couple of little bits. So first of all, apologies the video is a bit late. I did have quite a large client shoot over the last week. Here are a few sample images. And yeah, it kind of just sucked all my time because I had to get a ton of images edited and delivered in a fairly quick space of time. The second thing is all about these POVs. So very slight change in how they're going to be. Not today, but going forwards. So typically I would go out into central London for, let's say, between 5 and 8 hours. And within that long day, I would walk away with, say, 20 to 30 keepers that I will share with you in this POV. However, couple of things I found is, first of all, it puts me under a ton of pressure because I'm like, I have to make it work, and then and I don't enjoy it. You get the idea. The second thing is, I usually end up with a collection of very mediocre images. Only one or two of them are actually any good. And I would rather share with you a bunch of images that I'm very happy with, and also maybe one or two images that I think are absolute trash. And then I think that will probably be better value for you rather than just seeing a bunch of average photos. So going forwards, I am gonna do, let's say, one POV a month, something on those lines, and it will be a collection of various trips out into London. I think also that will be more interesting for you as well, because maybe I can cover different parts of London within one particular video, but I will leave that for later to think about. So yeah, so that's going to be like the main change. So today is all going to be one outing, but then going forwards it will probably be a few trips out in one video. So that's enough for me waffling on. I will let you watch this video. So this was actually in the West End. It did say it'll be raining a lot. It did rain a lot, but then the sun came out, and overall it was a nice, very quick photo walk that ended up in one or two decent images. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you all for your support as always, and yeah, see you in a bit. Bye.